Hello student, in the computer software chapter we have learned programs, object code, source code. Now there are three types of language translator or language processor. First one is assembler, second one is compiler, third one is interpreter. Now one by one we are going to see the definition of compiler and interpreter and the difference between. First we are going to learn what is compiler. Basically a compiler is a language translator. It is used to convert the whole program into object code at once. Means only one time it will convert the whole program in the object code. It also gives all the errors of the program at once. It is faster than interpreter and it is also less time consuming. Interpreter, as a name states what? Interpreter, interpret. To interpret something means we are going to learn one by one. In case of interpreter, interpret means we are going to, our system is going to convert every lines of instruction one by one. If program is having 10 instructions, it will pick one instruction first, then execute it, then the second one, then execute, then third one, then execute. Means as we can see, the compiler converts or gives errors for all the programs and convert a particular program into machine understandable form at once. But in case of interpreter, the system converts every instruction line by line. So it is a time consuming process. It does not create an object file. In case of compiler, object code is created in a separate file. But in case of interpreter, no object file is created. Program execution is also slow. As I have already told you that in case of compiler, the whole program will be executed. Okay, the whole program will be executed at once, and all the errors, if the errors are there, then all the errors given by the compiler in one time. Okay. But in case of interpreter, if one instruction is having error, it will give you an error message. Then if you have removed that error, then it will execute that instruction. Then the second one, the same process followed by the computer. The interpreter is required to translate the program each time you want to run the program. It makes it easier to correct the mistakes in the source code. Definitely. If we are talking about correcting a particular program, the line by line correction is very easy. So interpreter is only beneficial when we want to correct every instructions. But if our program size is very much, like suppose we are having 1000 or 800 instructions or lines of code, then it is very tough to see all the errors. So that time we can use interpreter. But if our program is converted already, with the help of interpreter we have removed all the errors, so we can convert into object file with the help of compiler. Thank you.